Dear student, from today we are going to read the social science subject. Today we will read the geography portion. This one is your geography book, Contemporary India 1. So textbook in geography for class 9th. From today we are going to read chapter 1st. Chapter 1st is India, size and location. You can see this scan mark, and if you scan this you can get a very interesting video and study material from NCERT portion. तो ये स्कैनर मार्क को आप स्कैन करके काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग मटेरियल देख सकते हैं. So chapter 1st is related to India, size and location. As we all know, India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has achieved multi-phased socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved towards displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology and overall development. So India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Now we are going to read about the location of India. As we all know, India is very vast country. Lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the main land extends between latitude, that is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitude is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 degree east. You can see in this map the location of India. You can see in this world map there are several continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America and Australia. And you can see the oceans: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So location of India, as we read here, it is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere, ये जो अगर हम लोग लाइन एक इमेजिनरी लाइन अगर देखें वाइज में, तो हम देखते हैं इंडिया जो है नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में है. और किस कॉन्टिनेंट में है? इट इज सिचुएटेड इन एशिया, एशियाज सदर्न पार्ट. लॉन्गिट्यूड डिस्क्रिप्शन वी हैड रीड दैट इट इज 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitude is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97. ये आप इधर से ये लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड के बारे में देख सकते हो. तो आपको ये इनसाइड क्वेश्चन के लिए लर्न करना है. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country into almost 2 equal parts. To the southwest, east and southwest, the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So we are going to read all these description in the map, which is in next page. So you can see this one is Tropic of Cancer, which divide the India into almost equal 2 parts. Andaman and Nicobar Island situated in the east part of our country, that is in Bay of Bengal, and in the west we can see the Lakshadweep Island, and Indian Ocean is situated in the southern part of our country. East to west extent we can see 2933 kilometer, and from now north to south extent is 3214 kilometers. size. Now, land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area counts about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. And India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and total length of coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is 7,516.6 km. You can see in this graph 7 largest countries of the world. So first one is Russia. Russia is the most largest country of the world. Next one is Canada. Third is USA. Next China. Next Brazil. 6th point Australia, and in 7th position that is India. So India is the 7th largest country of the world. India is bounded by the Yangtze Mountains in northwest, north and northeast. South of about 20 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, divides into two seas, that is Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on its east. You can see this description: Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west of our country. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours, hence time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 east passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. तो जो टाइम है गुजरात और अरुणाचल प्रदेश के बीच में 2 आवर्स का टाइम लैग हो जाता है. क्यों हो जाता है? क्योंकि लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंड होने की वजह से डे नाइट टाइम में डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं. और जो अर्थ की मूवमेंट है साउथ टू नॉर्थ अगर हम मूव करें तो इस वजह से 2 आवर्स का टाइम लैग हो जाता है, यानी टाइम डिफरेंस हो जाता है. जैसे अरुणाचल प्रदेश में अभी 7 AM हो तो गुजरात में 5 AM रहेगा. और इसी टाइम लैग को मेंटेन करने के लिए स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन टाइम ऑफ इंडिया जो लिया गया है वो किसको लिया गया है? 82 डिग्री 30 मिनट ईस्ट जो टाइम लाइन है जो मिर्जापुर उत्तर प्रदेश में है उसको स्टैंडर्ड टाइम माना गया है पूरे देश भर के लिए. आप मैप में देखें, मैप में आप देख सकते हो ये जो 82 डिग्री 30 मिनट ईस्ट लाइन लैटिट्यूडनल पोजिशनल है, इसको जो ये लाइन जाती है यूपी के मिर्जापुर सिटी से जाती है, इसको ही भारत के लिए स्टैंडर्ड टाइम बोला गया है. इधर पे जो टाइम रहता है पूरे भारत में उसी टाइम लैग को माना जाता है. Now let's read about the India and the world. So the Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide the strategic central location to India. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from western coast and Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. तो आप मैप देखे समझें कि इंडिया की पोजीशन किस तरीके की है कि इंडिया के कॉन्टैक्ट अदर जो भी कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं, हमारी कंट्रीज़ हैं, अदर कंट्रीज, उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजिक रूट इंडिया को मिला हुआ है। और यहाँ से सी रूट की बात करें तो बहुत सही तरीके से भारत सभी के साथ कांटेक्ट रख सकता है, सभी देशों के साथ। साथ ही साथ भारत के लिए है कि ये जो कोस्ट लाइन है, ये कोस्ट लाइन, इतना लंबा कोस्ट लाइन कोई भी कंट्री जो है उसकी नहीं है, और किसी सी के साथ, किसी ओशन के साथ, क्योंकि भारत इतना लंबा जगह कवर करता है, इसी वजह से ये जो ओशन है इस एरिया में, इसका नाम हमारे देश के नाम पर पड़ा है, इंडियन ओशन। There is very important point, that is, since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Let's read about the India's neighbor. So India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. You can see all these in figure 1.5. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar, Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of 2 island countries, that are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldive Island are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. India has a strong geographical and historical link with neighbors. As you can see in this figure, so India has 28 states and 9 union territories. As per the neighboring countries of our country, that one is China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh, Myanmar in the east, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, etc. in the west region, and Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are 2 island country and neighboring country of our southern part of India. Pak Strait connect India and Sri Lanka, while Mannar, Gulf of Mannar joined the India and Maldives. Thus, we had read about the India's size and location in this chapter. I hope you can understand all the things properly.